Okay, number 33 is an outside angle. So I need to use x is equal, or the angle, I'm sorry, is equal to 1/2 of the major arc minus the minor arc. All right, so let's set this up. We have 47 is equal to 1/2 of my major arc, which is the 28x plus 7, minus my minor arc. So I need to subtract this whole expression. So it's really going to become plus 2 and a minus 11x. Okay, so you really have to watch that. This is where people goof this up all the time. They forget to subtract both of those terms. So I have, if I multiply both sides by 2, I'm going to have 94 equals, I'm going to combine my like terms. So that gives me 17x plus 9. I want to subtract 9 from both sides, so I have 85 equals 17x. If I take 85 divided by 17, I get 5. So x is equal to 5.